How to fix access denied, failed to initialize player season with online services in WARDOGS. First step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. And search for WARDOGS. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the Steam and WARDOGS not having means you need to click Allow another app. Click Browse, go to C drive, Program Files, Steam folder, and go to Steam Apps. You get the WARDOGS, and scroll down. You get the Steam. Click it and add it. Once adding after, you need to enable both private and public, and click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Then move on with next step. Search for Settings. Click it. Click Network and Internet Settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and click Reset Now. Once the reset complete after, move on with next step. Click Settings. Click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. Click Check for Update. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it. In the next step, click System Settings. Click Display Settings. Click Graphics Settings. Click Advanced Graphics Settings. Disable hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. It's important settings. Turn off the hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. Restart your device. Once the restart complete after, right click Steam, click Properties, click Compatibility, enable Run the program as administrator, click Apply and OK. After completing, move on with next step. Search for command prompt, right click Run as administrator and type the following text: ipconfig space /+ DNS. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space /release. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space /renew. Click enter. Type netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. Type netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. Type exit and exit it. Restart your device. Thank you.